Hello everyone, it's great to see you again in this operational tutorial on the TIG Welding Machine's YouTube channel. In our previous video, we unboxed and explored the features of the TIG 200PRO Welding Machine. Now to validate the quality of this outstanding product, let's see how powerful the TIG 200PRO really is. But first, let's go through the installation and setup of the machine. With the TIG 200PRO, you can weld using both TIG and MMA methods. When using TIG, first connect the TIG welding torch to the switch connector and the gas output hose connector on the machine. Next, connect the ground clamp to the positive output terminal. The other end of the ground clamp should connect to the workpiece. Ensure you connect the ground wire at the back of the machine to your workshop's grounding system. Plug the machine into a 220-volt alternating current single-phase power source. Then, connect the gas input hose to the gas supply cylinder, securing it tightly with a wrench. Finally, plug the machine into the 220-volt single-phase power source and turn on the power switch to get started. A special note, during the installation process, always keep the power switch in the off position for safety. When using the MMA welding method, you simply need to change the following. Connect the ground clamp to the electrode and workpiece. Connect the welding clamp to the positive output terminal. Then switch the power on and change the mode to MMA, and you're ready to go. Installation is complete. Now, how do we adjust the settings on the TIG 200PRO for the most beautiful welds, especially with the TIG welding method, which requires a high level of technique and weld finish, right? First, when connecting to the gas cylinder and opening the flow valve, adjust the regulator to ensure the flow is set between 10 to 15 liters per minute for optimal performance. Additionally, the length of the welding electrode should be appropriate to focus the arc for easier control. Typically, you should use a red-tipped electrode containing 98% tungsten and 2% thorium. During welding, adjusting the current is crucial. With the TIG 200PRO, when using a 1.6mm electrode, you can adjust the current from 50 to 160 amps, and from 130 to 200 amps for a 2.4mm electrode, depending on your skill level and the desired weld penetration. For corner TIG welding, the electrode extension from the gas cup to the tip should be about 2 to 3 times the diameter of the electrode. Moreover, to achieve the best welds, pay attention to your welding speed and ensure a steady hand. If the welding speed is too slow, excessive heat will be applied to the weld, causing it to overheat and appear gray. Regarding thin material welding, the TIG 200PRO can weld steel as thin as 0.5 millimeters using the spot welding method, applying continuous trigger pressure. These parameters have been carefully researched and measured by the product development team at TIG. Therefore, welders can confidently refer to these specifications included in the user manual that comes with the machine. Now, without keeping our esteemed customers waiting any longer, TIG's technician will demonstrate TIG welding with a 2.4mm filler rod for a corner weld and MMA welding with a 4mm electrode to showcase the power of the TIG 200PRO. As we observe, we can see that the welds made with the TIG 200PRO are bright, smooth, and have excellent penetration. The TIG welds exhibit evenly spaced ripples with no porosity present, so TIG has guided customers on how to install the machine and achieve quality welds using the TIG 200PRO. If you have any questions or issues during operation, please feel free to contact us via our hotline at +84 287 3036 536 or export at hongkey.vnpromp.tassistance. For those who haven't yet acquired this outstanding TIG welding machine, what are you waiting for? Contact the hotline displayed on the screen or visit our official website at www.hongkey.com for the fastest consultation and delivery. For now, TIG says goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you again.